this is a 3D printed maze that we made at home. And I'm going to show you how to make it. And first, you go up, down, side down, up, down, side, up, side, down. And then you go up after you go to the side. And then you're there.
Now show them how it doesn't open now. Yep, so you can put something in it, a surprise, and give it to somebody for their birthday.
So do I have to tell them how I'm opening it?
I think you did a good job showing them how to close it. It's just the opposite way, right?
Yeah. And how you open it is just the opposite. So I'm going to open it.
Very good. Oh, and tell them it glows in the dark, too.
Oh, it also glows in the dark.
Thank you, Violet.
Meow.